Hi there, my name is Asianzo Henry Duncan and I'm a self-taught web developer. So in this video, we're going to be answering the question, what is programming? Yes. So programming is simply the process of writing instructions that a computer can follow. We use it to solve problems, automate tasks, and build applications, websites, or even games. You can think of programming like writing a recipe. The The computer follows each step exactly as you give it. Programming languages. We use programming languages to communicate with computers. There are high-level languages like Python and JavaScript that are easy for humans to read, and low-level languages like C or assembly that are closer to machine code. Each language has its own set of rules called syntax, just like grammar in spoken languages. Core concepts. In programming, there are a few core concepts you need to know. Variables are like containers where we store data. Data can be numbers, text, true, false, values, or even lists. Control flow helps decide what happens next using things like if else statements and loops. Functions let us reuse code instead of writing it again and again. And algorithms are just step by step methods to solve problems. Skills you need. To become a good programmer, you need a few important skills. First, problem solving, breaking big problems into small, manageable steps. Second, you need logical thinking, since computers only follow exact instructions. Then there's patience. Patience is also key because you'll spend time fixing bugs. You should also learn version control with Git to track changes in your code, and use a good code editor like Visual Studio Code to make your work easier. How programs work. Every program follows a simple pattern. We have input, the process, and then the output. For example, a program might ask for your age as input, then it processes that information by checking if your age is 18 or above. Finally, the output is either you can vote or you are too young. This is the basic flow behind most programs you'll write. These are some of the key takeaways that you should know. One of them being that programming is about solving problems with logic and creativity. And also remember that computers don't think for themselves, they only follow the exact instructions you give them. And the more you practice writing code, the better and more confident you will become. Thank you very much. And if you like this video, feel free to like it and then subscribe. Stay tuned for more.